The standing rope face pull with external rotation is an exercise to improve shoulder stability and posture while targeting the rear delts on the back of the shoulders, traps, and rotator cuff muscles. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a rope to a cable pulley, then adjust the pulley position to approximately chest height. Grip the rope with a neutral, palms facing each other grip with your thumb and index finger closest to the knob on the rope. Stand a few feet back from the machine to create tension in the cable throughout the full range of motion. Engage your core and maintain a slight bend in your knees while standing with your feet shoulder width apart, or adopt a staggered stance for more stability. Extend your arms in front of you while holding the rope. Keep your shoulders down and back to avoid shrugging during the movement. Exhale as you pull the rope toward your face while driving your elbows outward and slightly upward as you focus on pulling with your rear deltoids and traps, not your arms. As the rope nears your face, externally rotate your shoulders so your arms create a W shape. It should look as if you're doing a rear double bicep pose. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement and hold the contraction for a moment to ensure your rear delts and traps are fully engaged. Inhale as you slowly extend your arms under control back to the starting position to feel a good stretch on the rear delts while maintaining tension on the muscles. Keep the movement slow and controlled to avoid using momentum. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.